friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm CSJAS. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams. Now I am here to tell you that I host daily special live classes which are totally free of cost at 7 p.m. Yes, you heard it right. These classes are totally free of cost. Now how you can just unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS to avail them for free. I teach company law and JIGL, and presently we have completed 2 chapters of company law and 2 chapters of JIGL alongside the past year questions also of the Constitution of India, which gave the students an insight कि कैसे questions पूछे जाते हैं. And now we are starting with the third chapter, that is the interpretation of statutes. Not a big chapter, but you will be amazed to know that in the last attempt, that is in December 2021, more than 10 marks questions were asked from this particular chapter, which is so small that we will be ending this chapter in just 2 days. That is today and tomorrow. So I'm here to announce 2 special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 3rd and 4th February, sharp at 7 p.m. Today we will be doing the topics of introduction, general principles and presumptions of interpretations, and tomorrow we will be doing internal and external aids of interpretation, and that's it. We will be ending with the topic. इतना ही है chapter number 3, interpretation of statutes. लेकिन जिस हिसाब से questions पूछे गए in December, it is very relevant. So I hope you will join the classes. दोनों ही classes की class links you can find in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the class begins you get a notification. If you're planning to get subscription from unacademy, the batch links are also in the description box below. Do use my code CSJAS to get 10% discount on any of your courses. Looking forward to all of you joining my course today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.